everybody, how yous going? We'll say hello to the choppy dogs. Every time I get up and turn my computer on, I say, good morning, choppy dogs. There you just go. So, you remember last year, I think it was, we told yous we was going to take yous camping and going to take yous bush. Well, we got some of the gear today we bought. I'm just testing them. I've already had that one down to 18 degrees Celsius. I'm just running this one down just to make sure they're okay. And we're going to take us out into the Australian bush, camping. And of course, when you do that, you need to have the right gear, because you've got to take your food with you and you've got to bring your junk home. So we went and did a little bit of shopping today and ordered the camper van and everything else. Now, the camper van I'm getting with minimum power, okay? All it's got in it is an 8 amp battery, and that's to run the electric brakes. And you're thinking, you're not going to run those two bloody fridges. You're thinking, WTF, aren't yous? Eh? What that for? Well, I'm going to put my own system in. We're going to run it on some solar panels and charge it off the car when you're travelling, and when you stop you put the solar panels out, and when you're at camp, and it's all good. So we've been planning this for a long time, and really since Chopper passed, yeah, I thought, you know, well, let's get this done. You know, I'm in grief over losing him. He was my best mate. So rather than sit there, I put his picture on my computer so I can say good morning to him every morning and good night every night, and get over him my way, while we're getting prepared to go bush, because we got the new ute. We're getting some electric work on that done, so the electric brakes and the trailer will work and all that sort of stuff. There's a fair bit to do, you know. You just don't go buy a trailer and chuck your gear in and go bush. You got to pick the right trailer. You got to, well, for me, because I like to build my own electrical systems on my DC side, like the one I built for my house here. So we're going to be putting a DC system in it that'll run both Ingle fridges, plus a few lights for night time. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. You know, I did promise it to you a while back, and I have been a bit slack about doing it all, but yeah, now I'm putting some effort into it and some money, and I hope you will enjoy the videos. I mean, we're still a couple of months away from doing it. I just wanted to show you that we're prepping. You know, the camper's got to be built, and it's still all going to be about solar power in the Australian bush and how well it works, or not. We'll see. It should work really well if I've done my math right. So that's a bit of an update, a channel update if you like. I mean, we're still going to do solar at home, and you can still ask me questions. Like, I probably get asked 10 or 15 questions PM to me each day about what I think about this and how would I do that, and that's great. I take plenty of time and I answer all of them. Sometimes you might not like the answer, but just get an answer. Anyway, there you go. That's what we're going to be doing. I hope you stick around. And yeah, come out the bush with me and Ziggy, you know, and let's see how well the solar goes. All right. Keep safe, everyone. Bye for now.